Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix videos keep pausing on Android. So if you like to watch videos on your phone, for probably on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or maybe Twitter, but the videos might be glitching or keep pausing when you play it, there might be some issues that cause the problem, and here through this video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First, if you're watching the video online, you first just need to check your internet connection. So you need to ensure that you have a strong and stable internet connection, and you can also check if the data saver mode, so if enabled, it might limit background data usage affecting video streaming. So you can go to settings. If you are not using Wi-Fi, you can disable the data saver mode first on the network and internet. And there might be also Wi-Fi issue. If you use a Wi-Fi connection on your phone, you can try restarting your Wi-Fi router or switch to mobile data. And the second one, you can try to clear the app cache and data. For example, if you watch a YouTube video, you can find YouTube in here, and you can go to the app info. You can long press on the YouTube and tap on the app info, and in here you can go to the storage and cache, and now you can try to tap on the clear the cache, and this can resolve the temporary issue. And the third one, you can try to update your device and apps. If your device asking you to update the system, then you need to update your device system. You need to keep your Android OS up to date. And if there is an app updates, you can find it on the Google Play Store in here, and check if your apps need any update. For example, in here I'm going to find YouTube, and here if it say update, then you need to update your YouTube to the latest app. And it's also applied to another apps like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or maybe Netflix. And the last one, or the fourth one, sorry, you can close the background apps, because too many running apps can consume system resources, leading to performance issue. So you can just delete, or here delete the history apps that you are not using in the background, like this, just like so. And you can also force close unnecessary apps to free up some RAM. And you can also check the storage space. Maybe your phone is running out of storage space, and you can delete some of the maybe videos or images on your phone to have or to free up some space. And you can also try to restart your device, because a simple restart can often resolve minor glitches and refresh the system. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.